Want to get free GCubes in Blockman Go? In this video, I'm showing you the best and fastest method that still works in 2025. No hacks, no scams, no wasting time, just a real trick that actually gives you GCubes. And the secret at the end is the most important, so don't skip or you'll miss it. Ready? Let's go! Now here's the method I'm using right now to get free GCubes, and yes, it really works. I'm using a website that gives you points just for doing simple things like completing short offers, watching videos, or answering easy questions. The best part? You can exchange those points for a Google Play gift card and then buy GCubes directly inside Blockman Go. And guess what? I've already earned enough points to buy GCubes more than once, and it's 100% real. You don't need to pay anything, no hacks and no downloads. Just your time. If you actually try this method and stay consistent, I promise you can earn at least 300 GCubes. Maybe even more depending on how active you are. It's not magic, it's just a smart trick most players don't know about. So if you're tired of fake apps, scams, or wasting time, this is the one method that actually worked for me in 2025. And if you join my Discord, you'll see real screenshots from people who already got their GCubes using this trick. I post everything in the proof room. The link to the website is in the description. Don't miss it. Oh, and I have a surprise for the real ones who watch till the end. If you go to the website, complete some offers, and collect just 60 points, that's right, only 60, then send me a screenshot of your balance or proof inside my Discord server. I'll personally recharge 60 GCubes for you. For free. That's not a joke. I've already done it for others. You can check the number-proof room in my server. I'm doing this because I know some of you don't have money or can't buy GCubes. And this website is a real chance to earn something by just putting in a little time. So if you're serious, and you really want to earn GCubes without hacks, without risk, this is the best method you'll find in 2025. Don't miss this opportunity. Do the offers, collect your 60 points, then go to Discord and send me the proof. I'll take care of the rest. The website link is in the description. And trust me, this might be the easiest GCubes you ever get.